flipping and falling and daddy.
Hold me.
Hold on to daddy. Wrap your legs around. Close your eyes. I'm not ready for this. So cute. Watch your slide. Y'all. See that? I'm glad Dad got muscle because he holding a book bag and Giselle. Right.
Hold on.
My goodness, y'all. Look at all this.
Alright, come on, I'll hold it.
Selling my shoes. Came from all the way at the top. Making our way down. Okay, we should have left on my phone and stuff like that in the car.
Alright, it's really muddy over there. That means we getting close to water.
Okay.
Come on, Jesse.
Jesse, focus, okay? It's not time to play around.
Stay right here, sit down. Daddy, you right there?
Where's JJ?
JJ!
How did you get Oh, really fluffy here.
Yeah.
Good job, Tootie.
It's like a 3-foot pool. Hold on, see. Keep going. That way. Yep, that way. Stay close to the rock. Stay close to the rock. Stay close to the rock. Go. Oh, that's beautiful journey, bro.
Time to go.
Come on, bag.
Oh, Yoshi. Oh, it feels good. It's natural water.
We're making yucky with our boots and stuff. Or our shoes.
You saw the thing over there. Yeah. Okay.
Be careful.
Stank. We still trying to find this damn waterfall. We've been traveling for 2 hours all the way down from the top of the damn mountain, which we can't even see anymore. We're at a standstill. I'm recording. Hub left like 20 minutes ago to try and look up ahead and see what he could find. We're just waiting on this. We're losing hope. Right, we're waiting and losing hope. We've already traveled 2 hours. Again, and yeah.